Hey guys, this is a special day. We have a Toyota A90 Supra 3 litre with us, and all this will be going into the car. So this is the star of today, which is DO88 charge air manifold. So it basically is an integrated charge air cooler and intake manifold. Well, we have Eventuri Intake also. You can see this is full carbon fiber, and this is the LV, the Heme of intake. Of course, the stock manifold is made of plastic. This is made out of aluminium. It has much larger volume and much efficient cooling core. So basically, with all the mods working together with better water temperature, coolant temperature, it will further cools down the charge air. A cooler charge air means more horsepower. Next, let's get all this installed. So we are done installing the parts. We also applied our stage 2 tuning. So this car should be making around 520 horsepower and well over 700 Nm. So it's time for a test drive.